We are going to take this really slow. The custom data types in Excel and Power Query have started to get rolled out, and they are a mind twister. So as I go through this, and I anticipate doing several videos on this rather than one big crazy massive one. As I go through it, you should be thinking about what are some use cases for this. Where would you set up a custom data type instead of just filtering or using a filter function and dynamic arrays or setting something up with Power Query? In this video, we're going to start with some basic stuff. And you know me, I watch out for you. I let you know about pitfalls and weird stuff. Let's get at it. Here's my data set. I've got these specialists, the birthdays, the specialties, airport, schooling, contact information. I'm going to turn this into a specialist custom data set. Here we go. Cursor is in the data set. Right click. Get data from table/range. I don't want the birthdays. Right click. Remove. I don't want the schooling. Right click. Remove. Now I'm going to go to transform. Structured column. No. First, I've got to highlight the column that I want to show, and that's specialist. Structured column. Create data type. I'm going to go to advanced. What do I want to call this data type? I'm going to call it SPEC for specialist. The display column is showing. Now I want specialties, add that. Airport, add it. Contact, add it. Okay. Now I am not going to expand this column. I'm going to go to File, Close and Load. We know these are custom data types because of those squares next to the names. So let's click Damien. All right, show card. There's Damien's card. We can see his specialties are Cajun, Asian fusion, and mixology, and he is closest to YYZ, the Vancouver, Canada airport. Now, one thing we can do is this. We can select here and equals, highlight that cell, then I can select specialties right there, double click it, enter, boom. Now we have everybody's specialty next to them. But I don't want that column. I'm going to get rid of it. Right click, delete column. Here is something that I am going to do. Let's go here, airport, and then I'm going to put DEN for Denver. Specialist equals filter, open parentheses, the array, comma, where the array dot airport is equal to DEN. Enter. Look at that. All of our specialists that are nearest the Denver airport. Bold that. All right, let's change it to another ORD for Chicago. Good. And we can do this. Equals this whole range dot contact. Enter. And let's change it again to YYZ. Check that out. But I'm going to get rid of this. Let's do something else. Go back to our source data, and guess what? Oh, we have everybody's rate. So Anita is $110 an hour. Let's grab that. Rate equals XLOOKUP. Double click it. Look up value. Here. Comma. Lookup array. Lookup array is this column. comma, return array is the rate column. Enter. Now there's everybody's rate. Now, will that show up in the card? Now let's refresh like we normally would in Power Query. Data, refresh. Let's go over here to our table. Oh, the rate column is showing up right there. But if we click Claudia, no, there's no rate. We want it in the card. So what we got to do, where's in connections? Go back in, edit. Click this gear where I created the data type. Go to advanced, rate, add that. And then let's say I want to move it up. I want it to be between specialist and specialties. Okay. Now close and load. That rate column just left. Now let's see what's happening. Click Claudia. There is Claudia's rate. And I can do this trick again. Equals the range, and the hashtag means it's looking at that entire dynamic array. Double click rate, enter, and then change it to Chicago again. And one neat thing about this is, what if we were curious just about Mia, but we didn't want to do all of these formulas and things? I can click on Mia and say, Mia's $100 an hour, and yes, she does do seafood. If you do have custom data types, play with them, see what's happening, and whether you have them or not, let me know, what do you see as use cases? Why would you create a data type and not just use dynamic arrays or just filter this stuff yourself? All right. See you in the next video.